So let me ask you the question, who has gas? Because we got some stuff today that's going to give you gas if you don't have it already. Now, the first thing is we have this incredible Neewer 120 watt second outdoor light that we're going to have a lot of fun with. Neewer did not have the trigger to send to me yet, so it's on the way. But I have spent some time looking at this. This is so cool. It's 120 watt size, so it's a little bit stronger than your flash. You've got AD100 or a Neewer Z3. They're a little bit higher than that, but you're a little bit lower than the Godox AD200. But what you gain is get a smaller size, lighter weight, smaller battery, but you'll be fine with the 120. We'll do some shoots outside and I'll prove to you that 120 will get it done as soon as I get their trigger, and it should be on the way soon. But yes, very cool. Comes with everything you need, the battery, plugs, very nice case they put it in. And that will be the Neewer 120 watt second 2.4 TTL outdoor strobe. And it's also compatible with the Neewer, also compatible with the Godox triggers also. So we'll put that aside. So any gas problems, anybody? This, I've showed you this before. This is the SGIMG. I know it's hard to see that coating on there. So SGIMG, they're a brand new company. And I think I might have showed you guys the lens the other day. If I didn't, my apologies. And I'm going to show it to you again. Came with a lens cap and then a special lens cap. And this is a 35 millimeter f2.2. There it is. Take the cap off. And there's the front. Little bitty. Weighs practically nothing. And I tell you what got me on it is I love the focus ring. It is so smooth. I mean, it feels like it's just coming off a high-end lens. It's just perfect. Absolutely perfect throw. So I'll be shooting with this as soon as I get in touch with the model. I come over and pose for me. We'll be doing a few shots with this lens. We'll check it out and we'll see, and we will see how good it works. Not how good it works. It gets up a white wall with a piece of paper on it. We're going to put a person in front of it and see how the 35 does. Now, one more last thing. This is a white young Neewer. I think I'm pronouncing that right. There's a chance I could be right. 50 millimeter, 1.8. I believe it is 1.8. You'd think I'd look that up. Yes, 1.8. Most of them are, but I just want to make. I love the fact that it's white. I think that is just extremely cool to have a white lens. So I got it because so many, all you guys know, or most of you, if you watch the channel very much, I switched after 42 years of Canon, I switched over to Lumix. Well, the problem with being an affiliate is not everybody, but some places want you to do a video on their product. And there's a lot more stuff available for Canon than there is Lumix. So I had to be prepared to, test out flashes that are Canon only or test out whatever that's Canon. So I'm keeping, this is a Canon 6D, it's full frame, and I've still got a Canon 70D, but this will be my 50 millimeter lens for the 6D. That'll kind of cover the basics of everything I need for doing some tests. So I keep those around for YouTube shots that they don't have something made already for Lumix. So with all that said, we got the SG lens, SG image lens, 35 millimeter, young Neewer 50 1.8 lens for Canon. And then, like I said, the Neewer 120 watt light that is it's amazing light. Not much bigger than a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola bottle. And it's really lightweight, especially compared to my AD200. I believe this is half the weight of that, I'm just guessing. But it's got the new updated menu system, and so will the trigger that's coming in. She didn't know exactly when the trigger was going to come in, so hopefully we're hoping the next few days it'll come in. We'll do a shoot with that on a model and see how good it looks. So anyway, I just wanted to bother you guys thinking if you got gas, come on here, and if you don't have gas already, now you got some gas, because your gear acquisition syndrome, that's what I'm talking about. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but your gear acquisition syndrome is going to raise up because we got the stuff to raise it up. So anyway, guys, I appreciate it. We're going to be trying all this stuff out, having some fun. And one other thing, Godox is sending us their V1 Pro. I can't wait till that one gets here. And we're having a problem with it is they don't have the Canon or the Lumix in right now. So I'm waiting. I'll be the last one in the world to ever get this. But once they get it for either Canon or Lumix, We're going to put the V1 Pro on there and see what it does. The V1 Mid, V1 Pro mid-size. So it's kind of in between the V100 and that other one they had that was on the bottom. Maybe it's bigger than the IT32, whatever, but the mid is the perfect label for you. And I'll have all the different size flashes to show you. We'll test that one outside too of the model to see how it works and make sure it's good also. Okay, guys, I'm done rambling. I appreciate it. I'll be showing you all this stuff in action in the next week to 3 weeks. We'll have everything done. Stuff will all be delivered, and we'll give a grade on all of it. I appreciate it. If you have any of this already, or if you've got some on order or questions about it, let me know. Just leave me a message down at the bottom, and we will get back to you. Appreciate your time. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you later. Have a good one.